The Ga Central Municipal Assembly is to establish a €48 million plant that will process waste into energy. The plant, which will be a public-private partnership, is under the One District, One Factory policy.
The Municipal Chief Executive, Dr. Emmanuel Lamptey, said this at the launch of the e-payment management and sanitation monitoring system in Accra.
The Ga Central Municipal Assembly was carved out of the Ga South Municipal Assembly in 2012 with its office at Sotum in the Greater Accra region. The Assembly has been struggling to achieve its revenue targets and battling with sanitation issues. At the beginning of 2017, the Assembly put in measures to increase the internally generated funds, which improved the 2017 revenue by 45% compared to that of 2016. The Assembly collected more than 2.6 million Ghana cedis out of a target of about 2.9 million Ghana cedis. To further improve revenue collection, the Assembly has launched an e-payment management and monitoring system. This is to help reduce the manual collection of revenues that recorded several irregularities and malpractices over the years, including suppressing of figures, untimely payment of collected revenues, and non-disclosure of collected revenue. The Ga Central Municipal Chief Executive, Dr. Emmanuel Lamptey, said the system, which is the first in the country, will enable the Assembly to monitor the operations of revenue collectors and waste collection service providers. He said with this system, every household will be compelled to register for waste collection. The Assembly also hinted of plans to establish a €48 million plant that will process waste into energy. For the Assembly, the plant will not only provide an alternative source of energy, but is expected to create jobs and save a valuable land for agricultural purposes. The Greater Accra Regional Minister Emmanuel Lamptey said the e-payment system will go a long way to improve local revenue mobilization and entreated other assemblies to emulate.
The governmental flagship programs such as One District, One Factory, Free Senior High School, among others, require enormous resources to implement and keep it running. Therefore, government will not relent on its effort to mobilize resources at the district level to achieve these objectives.